Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you the all-new 2023 MasterCraft XT20. This is a little bit redesigned from the 2022 XT20. It's an actual phenomenal boat. They just released it this year for the new redesign. I've actually surfed this boat. The wave behind it is absolutely incredible. If you know, many of you know me, I'm a big guy, 6'3", 280 pounds, and the surf wave behind this thing is just, it's kind of hard to explain with a little walkthrough video. But here it is, I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's got the new tower on it, the white accents, exterior, silver metal flake, white hull bottom, white hull sides. Got the Chromax MasterCraft emblem on the side. Also new for 2023 is the rear facing flip up seats on it. As you see here, as I do a little walk around, it does have the new Surfstar system on it. This one is equipped with underwater lights, of course. Walk through video here. It's got the gray cool feel interior with Alpine white accent. Base 2, I believe it is white. Climb aboard and take a look. Got the nice transom walkthrough, of course. Your ski pylon right there for your tubes and stuff. Or slalom skiing. This boat is great for slalom skiing. It's just a good all-around boat. Incredible ride. New center walkthrough, of course. Got the rear-facing reverse seat. This one is equipped with the heater. We got the 7-inch screen on this one. Wireless charger. But just, you know, for the adequate amount of room that comes in this 20-foot boat is it's really good. You got a nice bow area, the new clip stereo system inside, of course, center. Walking back through. Again, I mean, it's a ton of room for a 20-foot boat. Incredible surf wave for a 20-foot boat. Of course, clamp force racks on both sides. Got the nice tower speakers up top, bimini top, and this is the new flip seating. I'll show you that real quick while I'm sitting here. There you go. This boat's in stock now here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. It'll be on the showroom floor. Come by and see it. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.